he jumped in the car again. Now let's see what he can do. They're itchy. The bugs bite you, huh? Ow! Whoa! He just jumped. He's gonna jump down, I think. I think he's gonna jump. Or just gonna sleep there. Don't fall down. Ooh, it looks like the Lion King. Up the king! Come on. Oopsie. Okay, Ripsy like the tire, I think. Ripsy. You itchy. Okay, I think he's gonna go down now. Anytime now. Oh, I know. I think Ripsy will like playing with this. This thingy. You wanna play with the duck, Pepsi? Pepsi, you wanna play with the duck? Oh, he's not looking. You can throw it. Let me see the duck. The cup. Oh, come on. Before you're always chasing that. Hello? Okay. I think he's gonna go down now. Any minute. Hey, he didn't go down, but he went down from his tire and start lying down. And there's the duck I threw. And there's Missy. I think it's dirty. Missy. Oh. Whoa, did he? Okay, he just jumped again. Is he gonna jump down? Are you gonna jump down? Look at this. This is so funny. You blow through a cashier, this will happen. He always shake his head. Okay, now I think he's gonna go down now. I think now, don't fall down, okay? You're a cat. Do you know how to do this? Come on, I teach you this when you were so small. So this is gonna take a while. Hey, he jumped down. And now he's gonna go somewhere again. He's here now. Don't eat. What's he eating? Oh, he's drinking. Never mind. So, this is gonna take forever, so that was it. That was the show. Here, nice view, right? That was the show. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Please, bye.